Well, welcome back to Midcap Radar. As promised, we are now going to an exclusive management. J&K Bank has appointed a new managing director and CEO, Amitava Chatterjee. He joins us exclusively on the show now to discuss his role and the bank's outlook in more detail. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. We understand, just prior to this particular appointment, you were the Deputy MD of SBI, and you also served as the MD and CEO of SBI Caps. So you worked with much larger organizations in the past. You are now at the helm of J&K Bank. First up, give us, what is it that you've assessed so far? We understand that today is just day 2 on the job. And what are your targets as far as J&K Bank is concerned?
Very good afternoon, Vivek. Good afternoon, Hormaz, and season's greetings from J&K Bank to all CNBC team as well as the viewers. Well, it's as you said, it's the first day after taking over at J&K Bank. And as you rightly said that I was with SBI till 2 days back. So, of course, what I intend to do would be to add some value to this bank. Of course, you must be aware that this bank is primarily a bank for the services of J&K and Ladakh, while it is present in 20 other states in the country. But primarily, it's for the services for this geography. So, going forward, it will continue to serve this geography along with all the development that is likely to take place in this geography. And the J&K Bank will be very happy to be a partner to all that development. As far as the numbers are concerned, of course, we will be sticking to the guidance that has been given at the beginning of the year. And going forward, we would also like to carry forward similar numbers with improved focus on reduction of NPAs and other such things.
Mr. Chatterjee, good afternoon. Thank you for joining in. Congratulations on the new stint. We are stepping into a new year. You have stepped into a new stint as well. What's the situation on the ground currently? I know for a fact that you're still very early into the job, so I might not go into extreme micro for the bank-specific question, but on an industry level as a whole, there was this brief period where there were concerns about bank deposits and so on and so forth. What is the trend that you are observing right now as you have completed almost 9 months of the financial year as well? And what do you see going forward as well?
Deposits continue to be challenging as it is in the entire banking sector. It is not any different here. We are also trying to face this challenge as and when we would find a solution to this, and especially the concern would be on the CASA. My focus would be on to regain some of the lost CASA in J&K, and there's very good reason why we should be able to do it in J&K, because as you know, this bank enjoys almost a 60% market share in this geography. So maybe a little bit of improved services, a more adoption of technology, and other things. Augmenting the entire process. I think we should be able to improve the deposit scenario. But I agree that it continues to pose a challenge as it does to the entire banking industry.
Mr. Chatterjee, thank you so much for encapsulating those points for us. Now, first up, as you take over, could you give us the top 3 points that you would be, starting with as far as J&K Bank is concerned? Just to reiterate for our viewers, the earlier guidance given by the bank for FY25, credit growth of close to 15%, deposit growth of close to 12%, ROAs in the range of 1.25 to 1.3, and NIMs in the range of 3.75 to 3.85. You said that at this point of time, you are looking to hold on to the guidance, but will deposits be a challenge? And your top 3 things to look out for?
Yes, I agree that deposits are going to be a challenge, especially with the growth that we have seen in the first 9 months. It is definitely going to be a challenge, but We would definitely like to hold on to the guidance given, because what I said, some rejuvenation is required, especially looking into the market position of this bank in this geography. I believe that we should be able to regain. We still have more than 90 days with us for this financial year. If you ask me the top priorities, of course, the top priorities will remain to keep the NPAs and the SMAs in check. That goes without saying. To try and increase the other income for the bank. This bank doesn't have a very good-looking cost-to-income ratio. So we would definitely want to improve upon that. We would like to maintain the NIMs so that ultimately the ROA and ROE are protected. But again, positioning of the bank is very good. It has done well in the last 2 years. If you look at the numbers, 22, 23 and 23, 24, the bank has done pretty well. It has been able to improve upon many aspects. It has done well in the net profits. It has done well reducing the NPAs. I don't see any reason why it should not be able to do in future. And also the environment is conducive. There are a lot of developmental work going on in this geography. So J&K Bank being a major participant in the financial
right. Mr. Chatterjee, sorry to cut you in. You highlighted multiple challenges that the bank is facing, right? You want to boost the other income of the bank. You highlighted some challenges on the cost to income side of things and also on the deposit front as well. What are the steps that you intend to take to address these challenges? If you could encapsulate that for us, sir.
See, of course, cost to income ratio definitely will improve. See, both the numerator and the denominator has to be worked upon. I would definitely want to improve the interest income. The growth in advances have not been that good during the first 9 months, but there is a lot of pipeline that is there. So the bank had undertaken multiple technology initiatives during the last 1.5 years. So that has yet to we are yet to reap the benefits of those initiatives. So the initial glitches are gone now. We are on the threshold of reaping the benefits. We have also partnered with other insurance and mutual funds to sell third-party products. So that will augment the other income for the bank. So overall, I think the efficiency levels also need to be looked into to improve upon. So essentially, these are the 3 things I am looking at the moment. There would be many more things going forward, which I believe that with my experience in SBI, I'll be able to add value to.
We are sure that you will be able to do that. So thank you so much for joining us. We wish you and the team a very happy 2025 and wish you all the best as you step into this new role. And we'll hope to see you more often on the channel as you go ahead and deliver on the promises you've given us. Well, let's now slip into a short break. We'll get you more on the markets and stock-specific action on the other side. Stay tuned.